Every stitch, every bead, every shimmer of light tells a story. Let's make this one-of-a-kind unique pair of earrings. For that we need 1 inch by 1 inch square of fabric, and I have drawn some pattern and I have done random designs with beads and embroidery and mirror work, everything in one set of earrings. I am making this one-of-a-kind statement earrings design to turn heads, celebrate culture, and bring joy in every moment. So I'm going to stick all the embroidered pieces to a cardboard that is also shaped in square 1 inch by 1 inch. So this is how all the square pieces look, and we're going to stitch them together, or you can also glue them together, whichever is comfortable for you. And we're going to make a square shape, like a cube shape, with all these patterns. So our cube is ready, and you can see the traditional embroidery and intricate beadwork adding texture and depth to the pieces. I have created also the smaller pieces and even smaller pieces. So this is 0.5 inch going all the way up to the 1 inch. So we wanted to prepare all these, and now these are so unique and one of a kind, and it's lightweight, vibrant, and full of colors and character. So now let's add some charms to it, or you can also do some beads or little jingle bells, but I decided to do these charms as I really like them and gives that ethnic look. So I have attached all them on the bottom cube. Now let's put all these pieces together using the glass bead, and I'm going to make X shape on each side. And on the corner of the next cube I'm going to attach some bells so that it adds a little bit of a jingling sound. So one side I have done, I'm going to repeat all the 4 sides, and this is how it looks on all the sides. So I have completed the whole piece. Now let's attach the earring stud. So our earring is ready. Look how beautiful and colorful it looks. These handmade fabric earrings are adorned with the traditional embroidery and intricate beadwork, adding texture and depth. Carefully designed to create a vibrant statement piece. And this was my inspiration. I saw it online. This is super lightweight, vibrant, full of colors and character. This is a jewelry that doesn't accessorize, it speaks. So every side tells a story, and it has bold colors woven together, delicate mirror embroidery. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what do you think about these earrings, and would you like to wear one. Thank you for watching.